The next special type of integrals that we are going to see are integrals of the form 1 by p times root q, where p is a polynomial and q is a polynomial. So depending on the nature of p and q, we'll do different substitutions. So I have drawn a table of substitutions. So if p is linear, q is linear, both the functions are linear functions, or p is quadratic and q is linear. So whenever the expression inside the square root is linear, we just do the substitution q is equal to t square. That is, whatever is the linear term, we assume it as t square so that you can remove the square. So that's the technique which helps you in solving 1 by p root q whenever q is a linear polynomial. And if p is linear and q is quadratic, so we have a quadratic inside and a linear outside, the substitution that works is p is equal to 1 by t. Is take this function and substitute it as 1 by t. So that will help you solve the integral. And if both the functions, if both p and q are both quadratic, we take the substitution x is equal to 1 by t. That is, 1 by x is equal to t. And the fourth substitution specially, I need to mention this. So if both p and q are quadratics with no extent, that is, p has to be of the form ax square plus b and q has to be of the form cx square plus b. So if that is the case, both are quadratics with no extent, then 1 by x is equal to t will work and you can very easily solve the integration. So I'm giving you the examples. The first model, where p and q are linear, the question might look something like this: 1 by x plus 1 times root of x plus 2, and p is quadratic, q is linear, 1 by 1 plus x square times x plus 1, root of x plus 1. So in these two integrals, whatever is there inside the square root, you just need to assume it as t square. So x plus 2 is equal to t square will help you solve this both questions. So in this, x plus 1 is equal to t square. So these two are very straightforward. Next, if you go to the third model, 1 by x plus 2 times root of x square plus 2x minus 3. This is 1 by linear root quadratic. These type of questions, we just assume x plus 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Whatever is the function outside, the linear function outside, we assume it as 1 by 2. And go forward, you get the solution. And if both are quadratics without extra, so in this you just need to substitute 1 by x is equal to t, or t is equal to 1 by x, or x is equal to 1 by t. So this substitution will help you solve this question. So let us solve these 4 questions by using appropriate substitutions.